Working with parents and community partners to support the child's agreed upon plan of action for goals related to the overall health and wellness, such as his or her IEP and IFSP, is key to bettering the child's education. Some ideas is having a family event night and bringing in parents to get educated by local doctors, therapists, and educators about what their company does and how it helps their child is a fabulous idea. The parents may get tired of listening to the parents, so why not bring in outsiders that are part of the community to help the child's education? Remember, the teachers, the schools, the community supporters, and the educators are all combined as one in a group that want to help the children's education and health prosper. You can hold meetings. If the parents are concerned about something they notice going on in their child's growth, make an appointment and sit down and talk about what is going on and how you can help. Give them handouts, websites, flyers, and brochures of the concerns of what they see in their child and local businesses that they can go visit and talk to them and get help for their child.